we'll guide you through how to make liquid transition Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser and searching for liquid overlay transition. After the search results appear, choose the first website that shows up and open it. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you find a liquid transition overlay that you like. When you find one that matches the style you want, select it and press the free download button to download the overlay onto your device. After the download is complete, open Alight Motion and wait for the app to load. Once it is ready, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Then set your project settings according to your needs and press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. After creating the project, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footages that you want to use for the transition. Once the footage layers are added to the timeline, press the plus button again and import the liquid overlay transition that you downloaded earlier. Place the overlay in the timeline where you want the transition to occur. Next, select the overlay layer and press Effect to open the effect options. Inside the Effects menu, press Add Effect to access the available effect categories. Go to the Matte, Mask, and Key category and select Chroma Key from the list. After applying the Chroma Key effect, set the color selection to the black screen used in the overlay. This tells the effect which color should be removed from the overlay. Next, adjust the threshold value until the black screen begins to disappear. Continue adjusting the setting until only the liquid transition remains visible. After that, adjust the feather value to smooth the edges and help the transition blend more naturally. Keep adjusting the threshold and feather settings until the black background is no longer visible and the liquid effect appears clean. Once the black screen has been removed, mask the overlay with the footage below it. After applying the mask, bring the second footage below the masked footage layer in the timeline.